Every journey begins with a single step. It doesn't matter how far the destination is. What matters is the courage to take that first step. There will be days when it feels hard. When your mind is tired, your body aches, and the goal feels distant. But in those moments, remember, effort is never wasted. Every drop of sweat, every hour of focus, is building something. Growth doesn't happen overnight. It starts small, like a sapling reaching for the sun, or a wall built one brick at a time. Progress is quiet, steady, and powerful. Write it down, circle the date, make the promise to yourself, not to be perfect, but to begin. Because action is louder than intention. Success is not about giant leaps. It's about the courage to begin, to show up, to try again, and to believe that small steps lead to big change.